In this answer, we will discuss most of the possible reasons why our answers on Quora collapse. In fact, you have to be very cautious when answering questions on Quora. As you might know, Quora is a place to gain and share knowledge and is considered one of the most famous websites in the USA and became gradually so popular in other regions of the world when it began to be in other different languages in addition to English. As you see on the screenshot above, Quora is ranked number 85 globally and number 70 in United States, which means it is highly very popular in the US and in the rest of world. Nevertheless, most people underestimate this website and occasionally answer Quora's questions carelessly or blindly, as I think. If you do not take it seriously and earnestly, your answer will most likely be collapsed. Even if your goal is that you answer the questions on Quora just for fun and as an amateur, you have to do your due diligence in order to maintain your answer from being collapsed. You have to be either very knowledgeable about the subject matter of the certain question that you are going to answer, or you have to research and collect the required information before you answer. As we said above, in this answer, we will discuss most of the possible reasons why our answers on Quora collapse. Here are most of the possible reasons. 1. Very short answer. If you write a very short answer like only 1 or 2 lines, your answer will most likely be collapsed. Most of the questions in different topics require some more details to be mentioned in the answer in order to satisfy the curiosity of the people who asked the question. It is specifically true when it comes to answering questions on Quora. The functionality of Quora is in some aspects similar to that of Google. It operates as a search engine for delivering and ranking the best and most relevant answer to the reader. Therefore, if you find that the answer requires more details, try to achieve that by writing a very detailed answer which would satisfy the reader. 2. A relevant answer. Your answer must be relevant to the question asked. You must maintain the relevancy between the question and the answer. For example, if the question is about how to do search engine optimization effectively and efficiently in order to rank on the first page of Google results page, and your answer is about how to succeed on Facebook, then you answered an irrelevant answer. In order to answer a relevant answer, you must answer a very detailed answer about how to rank on the first page of Google search results using search engine optimization. Sure, you cannot answer the nitty-gritty or the essential details of SEO, but at least try to mention all the main aspects of SEO so that the reader would have a better understanding about the topic. 3. Grammar errors and mistyping. You must be grammatically error-free and correct in spelling, otherwise it will most likely be collapsed. If you are not good at grammar of the concerned language in which you write your answer, it is highly recommended to study and review the basics. For example, if you write answers in English language, you must study at least the basics of English language grammar and punctuation in order to write proper English, which in turn will ensure that your answer will be displayed on Quora without being collapsed. This is especially true if you use Quora as a content marketing tool to promote your business and services. You potential customers on Quora expect you to be professional even in your writings in order to trust you or your brand. 4. Jokey, derogatory, adversarial answer. If your answer is jokey, derogatory, adversarial or hostile, it will definitely be collapsed. There are policies adopted by the majority of the websites on the internet in order to maintain a safe and friendly environment amidst their audience. Any violation to such policies would result in a collapsed answer. For example, as far as I know, Quora adopts the BNBR, be nice, be respectful policy. Therefore, if your answer would make you fall in any of such violations, it is better to not answer in the first place. In addition to that, maybe there are some groups who troll or elicit people to react in an angry or repulsive way. Consequently, it is better to avoid such provocative questions. 5. Spammy answer. When you answer a question, do your best to answer in a very professional and serious way, especially if your goal is to establish yourself as an authority in your industry or niche. If your answer is just an image of your business or just a video which promotes your business or services, your answer will probably be collapsed as you did not answer the required answer in a satisfactory way. You must add value first by answering the concerned question in a detailed value-added manner. As for your business, whether it is your company products or affiliate products, you can promote them in the place assigned for that matter. For example, you can add a link to your service at the footnote of your answer. 6. Duplicate or plagiarized answer. If you write a duplicate answer which you wrote elsewhere on Quora, or if you use other people's content without even attribution, your answer will most likely be collapsed. When answering Quora questions, make sure that you write unique content that cannot be found elsewhere on the internet. By avoiding the above-mentioned possible mistakes, you can definitely maintain your answer from being collapsed. First and foremost, you have to provide value to the reader. People who ask the questions expect to find a satisfactory answer to their questions. At the same time, Quora is a very popular question and answer website which tries to maintain its reputation by providing value to its audience. Obviously, if Quora finds that anyone would prejudice its reputation, it would definitely collapse the threatening answer. We hope that you find this answer to be helpful and useful in your endeavor to be successful on Quora. Furthermore, if you struggle on Quora and would like to know some other methods to drive traffic to your business, we invite you to check this link #hashtag Traffic Secrets Flow page free ebook. It is about how to get laser targeted social media traffic using the power of hashtags. If you have any comment or opinion, feel free to leave it below.